Did you know that over 700 million people live on less than $1.90 a day? Yeah, that's right. Poverty is not just a statistic. It's a harsh reality for millions. But today we're diving into some game-changing life changes that can help you escape poverty fast. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super important: escaping poverty. It's crucial for many individuals to consider making some life changes that can lead to financial stability. So if you're looking for ways to turn your situation around quickly, you're in the right place. Now let's get real for a second. If you or someone you know is struggling with poverty, you probably understand the challenges that come with it. Limited access to resources can feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle. Education? Yeah, that's often out of reach, leaving many without the skills they need to get better jobs. And let's not forget about the systemic barriers that make it even tougher to climb out of that hole. It's frustrating and it can feel like there's no way out. But don't worry, because that's exactly what we're here to tackle today. So let's dive into the 6 specific life changes you can make to escape poverty fast. First up is education and skill development. Look, getting a degree is great and all, but it's not the only way to learn. There are tons of free online courses that can teach you practical skills. Think about what jobs are in demand in your area and focus on those skills. Next, we have networking. Yep, it's not just about what you know, but who you know. Start connecting with people in your desired field. Attend local events, join online forums, or even hit up social media groups. You'd be surprised at how a single conversation can open doors. Third on the list is budgeting and financial literacy. You need to understand where your money goes. Download an app or use a simple spreadsheet to track your expenses. Knowing how to manage your money effectively can save you from unnecessary debt and help you build savings. Moving on to the 4th change, finding a side hustle. Look for ways to make extra cash on the side. Whether it's freelancing, selling crafts online, or driving for a rideshare service, every little bit helps and can significantly boost your income. The 5th change is adopting a growth mindset. This is all about changing how you think about challenges. Instead of seeing obstacles as roadblocks, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. This mindset shift can motivate you to keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. And last but definitely not least, seek support. This could be through local community programs, online support groups, or even just friends and family. Sometimes just having someone to talk to can make all the difference when you're trying to make big changes in your life. Now let me share a powerful story that really brings this all together. Meet Sarah, a single mom of 2. She was living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet. One day she decided enough was enough. She enrolled in a free online course to learn digital marketing. She networked with other professionals and landed a part-time gig while still caring for her kids. Within a year, she turned that side hustle into a full-time job, doubling her income and gaining financial independence. Sarah's story shows that with determination and the right changes, escaping poverty is totally possible. So to wrap things up, we discussed 6 life changes that can help you escape poverty fast, focusing on education and skills, networking, budgeting, finding a side hustle, adopting a growth mindset, and seeking support. Remember, every small step counts towards building a better financial future. I want to hear from you. Which of these changes do you plan to implement? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more tips on financial success, don't forget to check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and let's keep pushing toward that brighter future together.